Welcome to Bonda City, Momoni Regional Headquarters, Houseflies Municipality. You are all welcome to Safubafus TV. Please, if you are watching me from Ghana, Bonkutu, and you are going to make this Momoni, you need police protection from houseflies. And please, if you are watching me from outside Ghana, Abrochi Krobiti say Togo, Burkina Faso, UK, America, Germany, then you need their environmental nose protection certificate before you can make this momone. No, sentinel. And this they are going to arrest you. Basically, you can use any fish for momone. The difference between momone and kobe is that momone is fermented, but kobe is not fermented. Today, I'm going to use tilapia to make momone. After getting the tilapia or any fish of your choice, we are going to dissect it, and cut it into small pieces of our choice. Most African countries and other countries around the world like Japan and other countries in Asia, Spain, they eat momone, but they have their own way of producing or making their momone. After cutting the fish into small pieces of your choice, spread salt on it. Spread salt, ankasa. Be generous about the salt. Don't be stingy about the salt. Then you need plastic or bottle with a good lid. When covered, there would be no air. I intentionally excluded the fish in it. Momonity de no lie. Fresh fish, ayana enyan, so wash your hands with Azuma Blue or Amonchim. After keeping it into a tight container, keep it inside your kitchen. I didn't know where to keep it. I was confused. We are going to keep it for 4 days. After 4 days, I return. We are going to open it after keeping it for 4 days, and this is the section where you need your acrobato or nose certificate from your Environmental Health Protection Agency, because if not, and this it can blow off your nose. Honestly speaking from my heart, how majority of momone produced in Ghana into the Ghana market, honestly, they are not hygienically produced. Because of lack of knowledge, most momone makers, kobe makers, engu makers, and other petty food makers use unnecessary, unwise chemicals on these foods. Have you ever bought momone whereby it tastes or it smells like kerosene? It smells like there is a kerosene inside the momone. I have noticed or I have witnessed so many times when I was in Ghana. If you have ever witnessed such things, please write it inside the comment section below for me. Do you know that it took UK Food and Drug Board to notice that Ghana engo sa omo de color chemicals bifra before ansana Ghana Food and Drug Board ebehu se ampa sa omo de color bifra a eye wudie. And many more. You see, the institutions are not working. They are powerless because they are political motivated researchers. If the institutions are not able to do their own research independently or implement their research independently, prosecute independently, arrest independently, then Oman bears a baller, emu bears sakatu. Police Timichi Obine Atimakasa order from above, Jano. The political system is sick. Thank you for watching Safubafus TV. If today is your first time of hearing this wonderful voice, kindly subscribe, like it, comment. God richly bless you. Voice in